Phillipeans and George, Phillipeans and George, Phillipeans and Phillipeans and Phillipeans and George show.
Hello, and welcome to the Phillipeans and George show. The dashboard. Like literally, we are on the dashboard. Oh, okay.
George looks like he's suntanning.
Yes, I am. So warm.
So what happened yesterday we want to talk about?
Well, there was a big tornado. Not where we live, but there was one. Like a couple million miles away. No, more like a couple thousand. What? I'm confused. Someone said it was 1 million.
A couple hundred?
A couple hundred? Yes.
So how does storms make you feel when there's a storm in the Philippines?
I feel scared because there's big lightning flashes and big booms. Kaboom. Kaboom. George, move out of the way.
What else happens when there's a storm?
No. There's big dark clouds.
Yeah?
And lightning comes out with big booms. And they flash several times.
Oh.
It's terrible and insignificant because if it zaps us, then we're goners. Well, there was actually one piggy who survived a lightning bolt. And, well...
What about the wind?
The wind? Oh! And the rain! Oh! They're both bad. They're very bad because one time I got flown... I was flown by wind into a pool of rain. And it didn't taste very good.
No.
And you were full of mud afterwards. Oh! Hey, George, don't be mean. Hey, no hitting. No hitting on the dashboard. There is hitting on the dashboard because you're always being mean. No, there's not.
I'm gonna make you guys sit in the back seat if you don't smarten up.
Well, I could go sit in the back seat. No, you can't, George. You have to stay here with me. Because you're my friend. So, as we were saying...
What else comes in these bad storms?
Big bad tornadoes. And hail the size of us. Like this. Like... And it falls right on your head. I think they get the message. How does it snow? How does it snow during a storm with hard pellets that hit you right in the brain?
Yeah, they hurt your car too.
Oh. Is this what a car is?
You like taking car rides, don't you?
Yes. But I didn't know this was a car. I've only been in a car once. What? He must have lost his memory.
I guess so. Let's go get some dinner.
Yeah. Tornadoes are very bad. I wonder if those people are prepared for disaster, George. Like water and food and stuff. So they could survive. Like in disasters such as these. That are bad. I don't know.
What would they do without electricity?
Yeah, George, what would they do without electricity? Book. 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 Oh! Hey, George, you're not supposed to do that on the show. That's not very nice. You like flipped me right over. I'll do it again. Oh. Actually, that's fun, George. Do it again.
What do you have in case there's a disaster that happens and the lights go out? What do you have?
Well, me and George have a flashlight, and we have matches, and we're not supposed to play with them. And also, we have water and blankies and what else, George? I don't know. A radio. Oh yes, a radio. How come I didn't think of that, Judge? We also need food, because without it, we'd all be hungry. And I don't like Philippines when he's hungry.
What's Philippines doing? Is he curled up in a ball?
It's saddening, you know. She said they don't have anyone to care for them. Like you and me, George, because we care for each other.
They have a lot of people helping them.
They do?
Yeah.
Yes.
Their family and their friends and their neighbors and their community.
My goodness. My goodness.
Okay, you ready to go get a burger?
Cheeseburger Happy Meal.
No, we don't do that. We're getting homemade burgers.
Touch me again, and that may be the last time. That wasn't very nice, George.